Hello and good day everyone. I'm here to show off a little bit of our new user interface here on Campfire, as well as show you how to use our bulk listing feature here on Campfire. If you don't know, we just updated for folks to be able to bulk list on Campfire. If you go over here to your profile after you've signed in, you can go ahead and click on portfolio. After you're in your portfolio, you can go over here to the bulk list option. You can click bulk list and select each one of the ones that you'd like to list. I'm going to start off with this piece, then we're going to go down to this one, and one of these. After we have all of these pieces ready to rock and roll over here in the selected bulk list, we can then list them by pressing this blue button or add more to this selection. Once we're in the actual bulk list option here, we can price for all by pressing 10 or 1,000 or 10,000 AVAX or what have you. We're going to leave it at 10 for this one. You can price each one individually if you want to, or you can leave it as price all. You can also add more NFTs to this bulk list option, and then beyond that, you can choose your duration. So no expiration, 30 days, 7 days, 3 days, 1 day. Once you have that done, all you have to do is simply press this list all button right here. All of these transactions are ready to rock and roll, and then all we got to do is, if one of these has never been listed before, you do have to approve it to be listed. We're getting our contract approvals right over here. And once that's all contracts are approved, you will get a little pop-up of your wallet. And then all you have to do is go through and sign for each one to be listed. You get a little pop-up here that says listed. Once all of those are listed, you will get an all done button down here that says that you can go back to your portfolio. You can return back to your portfolio. So we can see here that this one is now listed for 90 AVAX. Another little thing is that if you look at sales, and that if you've had some sales on some different marketplaces, we now have all of every global notifications going on. So if it sells on any marketplace on Avalanche, it will populate in this little section right here, and that's just, gives you more information at your fingertips. And we're rolling things out, giving some new fresh UI updates, and I hope to see you guys, and I'm so glad to be able to be helping you out. Have a great day.